Start. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's topic is letter writing in writing skills, as we are doing writing skills for improving writing skills and for getting marks in CBSE 12th and 10th class. So how we can write letter? So पत्र लेखन, letter लिखना है, फॉर्मेट, एग्जाम्पल और लेटर होता क्या है. सो व्हाट इज़ लेटर? लेटर इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ रिटन कम्युनिकेशन. लेटर्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. देयर आर टू टाइप्स और टू फॉर्म्स वी कैन राइट लेटर. फर्स्ट इज़ फॉर्मल, फॉर ऑफिशियल, लाइक फॉर गवर्नमेंट and for many government uses, and for office uses we write a formal letter. And informal, इट इज़ फॉर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. अपने फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स को लिखते हैं तो इनफॉर्मल लेटर लिखते हैं. और जब ऑफिशियल, कुछ गवर्नमेंट से रिलेटेड एंड ऑफिस से रिलेटेड हो जाए तो फॉर्मल लेटर. सो लेटर इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ रिटन कम्युनिकेशन, लिखना, पत्र लेखन. सो रिटन कम्युनिकेशन इन दिस वी राइट इन फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल. सो इस बार 10th एंड 12th में क्या क्या टाइप्स में आ रहे हैं हमारे लेटर्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी लेटर टू एडिटर. एडिटर मीन्स संपादक, संपादक को पत्र. सो लेटर टू एडिटर. लेटर और एप्लीकेशन फॉर अ जॉब. जॉब के लिए लेटर लिखना होगा, लेटर राइटिंग करनी पड़ेगी जिसमें हमें जॉब के लिए एप्लीकेशन फॉर अ जॉब, लेटर टू एप्लीकेशन ऑफ जॉब. सो बिजनेस लेटर, ऑर्डर कैंसलेशन. सो इन लेटेस्ट द बिजनेस लेटर हैज़ बीन रिमूव्ड, सो बिजनेस लेटर विल नॉट कम. एंड ऑफिशियल letters for making inquiries, like in government offices. For official, this also has been removed in 12th class as per latest syllabus. So let's see, these two will not come, and marks has been for 5 marks. For 12th class CBSE it is for 5 marks, letter to editor, and second is letter to application for a job or letter to job. So these two types we will discuss, letter to editor and letter of job, letter to application for a job. So these two will be the letter for 10th class. So 10th class, letter to government, like government officers, commissioner, NCD, SHO. So these will be the letters. And principal. Letter to editor also for 10th class as per latest syllabus. And informal letters for family and user. In 10th class you have to write informal as well. So these were the letters. So in letter writing format, first of all we will see the letter to editor. एडिटर को लेटर देखेंगे हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, संपादक को पत्र. सो इन दिस वी विल सी द हाउ कैन वी राइट. सो फॉर्मेट ऑफ लेटर टू एडिटर format. So first of all, in left hand side, start your formal letter of letter to editor from left side. Write sender's address. Sender's address क्या होगा, जो आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा कि you are dash and then the address comes. यहाँ पे जो लेटर लिख रहा है उसका एड्रेस आएगा sender's address. Then blank line छोड़नी है आपको, blank line. Then date. Date का फॉर्मेट ठीक से देखेंगे. डेट में ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 4th Feb 2021. then you can write Feb 4th 2021. so date blank line छोड़ने का, क्योंकि मिक्सअप ना हो. so neat and clean with the space you can write date. then receiver's address. receivers address में आपको the editor लिखना है, then newspaper का नाम, then उसका address, like the receiver's address, the editor, then the Times of India, then KG Marg, then address. so it is the address KG Marg Delhi. देन यू हैव टू राइट सब्जेक्ट, कि किस सब्जेक्ट, किस टॉपिक पे आपको लेटर लिखना है, किसके बारे में लिखना है. लाइक फॉर कंप्लेनिंग, फॉर द कंडीशन, सब्जेक्ट्स विल बी मेंशन इन योर क्वेश्चन. सो सैल्यूटेशन, सैल्यूटेशन देना, ब्लैंक लाइन छोड़ने के बाद आपको सर मैडम लिखना है. सो सर मैडम लिखने का लेट्स कम टू बॉडी, हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट लेटर टू एडिटर. सो द लाइन्स यू कैन यूज इन ऑल लेटर टू एडिटर is through the columns of your esteemed newspaper I would like to draw the kind attention of the authority. So this will be the body. In this you have to describe your all problems and how we can solve causes, then solution, how we can work upon it. So आपकी सब्जेक्ट में ज़्यादातर प्रॉब्लम्स, कोई कंप्लेंट हो सकते हैं, कोई सोशल इशू हो सकता है, इश्यूज हो सकते हैं. देन यू हैव टू राइट थैंक यू, देन योर्स फेथफुली, सिंसियरली, देन योर नेम, नेम एज पर क्वेश्चन. सो दिस विल बी द बॉडी ऑफ और फॉर्मेट ऑफ लेटर टू एडिटर. So let's see the example of letter to editor which has came in class 12th mock test. So how we can write, or what are the example of letter to editor. So first example is like, public demonstration causes a lot of disturbance in daily routine of common man. You almost missed your important entrance examination as people block the highway. So it is a social issue. So you can say the topic is public demonstration causes a lot of disturbance in daily life of a common man. So it is a social issue or problem in the life of common man. So let's see what we have to do. We have to write a letter to editor. So let's as Tarun and Taruna, name of the sender who will write the letter. Tarun and Taruna, a student aspiring to be a doctor, write a letter to the editor. What you have to do? Write a letter to the editor of Times of India. So newspaper name Times of India. Highlighting, what you have to highlight is the to discourage such demonstration and disturbance by public on highway. As you can see nowadays, so much problem are facing by people for public demonstration, due to public demonstration and social issues we can see. So causes a great loss of times and opportunity of many. In 100 to 125 words for 5 marks you have to write this letter for the letter to editor, and in this you have to take care of the issue, social issue, whom you have to write letter to editor. So you have to write the letter to editor. Yes, so let's see answer of letter to editor. How we will write a letter to editor. First of all, if there is given address then you will use, but हमने देखा कि क्वेश्चन में एड्रेस नहीं दिया हुआ था. Then we will write any kind of blank नहीं छोड़ना है, एक एड्रेस लिख देना like 240 वसंत कुंज न्यू दिल्ली. आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग कुछ भी एड्रेस डाल सकते हैं, बट ब्लैंक नहीं छोड़ना. Then you have to write address by space. So there should be a space, then address like 5th February 2021. Then the editor लिखेंगे, Times of India as mentioned in question, then address of the newspaper, then subject में हम लिख देंगे किस चीज़ पे हम लिख रहे हैं. So public demonstration on road and highways disturbance. What is the social issue problem? Public demonstration on highway and road. Then you have to write sir and madam, then comma salutation. Sir and madam, it is salutation. Then you have to write or start the lines of letter to editor like this in same with all the questions you come across. So you can use these lines with the starting point of letter to editor. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the kind attention of concerned authorities that, you have to write that, then your problem, there will be the subject. What is the issue? Social issue, subject. So public demonstration on road and highways causes a lot of disturbance in life of a common man. So this is our social issue. Then we can write the problems we face, है ना. So there is not that much place, that's why I am writing the things you have to keep in mind while writing. You have to write all the sentences, your problems, solution, how you can correct it. Then you have to write the immediate actions, what the concerned authorities means, जुड़ी हुई संस्थाओं को ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए जिससे कि वो प्रॉब्लम, वो सोशल इशू ठीक हो जाए. सो देन यू हैव टू राइट योर्स फेथफुली, नेम एज पर क्वेश्चन. इस क्वेश्चन में 12th के CBSE मॉक टेस्ट में नाम था तरुण तरुणा. देन वी राइट द नेम एज बॉय इज तरुण, देन गर्ल इज तरुणा. सो दिस विल बी द फॉर्मेट of or how you can write the letter to editor. So content and body, there you will write, and then your letter to editor is finished. You have to mention all the problems, solution, immediate action to take. You hope that then this will be the letter to editor. Thank you so much. For second type of letter in 12th CBSE, you have to write application for a job of any post, any kind of job you come across in advertisement of a newspaper. So job letter or application for a job, what is the format of the job letter and how we can write. So things to keep in mind while writing job letter, you have to see there will be advertisement in question, there will be advertisement type, and you have to write advertisement job letter. In that you seen a advertisement, then you have to write a job letter. So advertisement of newspaper for a job. means there will be a newspaper advertisement regarding job, then you see or came across the job letter, then you came across the advertisement, then you have to write job letter. So you have to write resume, biodata enclosed, means you have to enclose your biodata, resume, CV with the letter. And then lines you have to use in the starting of job letter is that I would like to offer my candidature for the same. In response, start with this. In response to your advertisement in newspaper, name of newspaper and date, on dated, that there will be date any kind of like 5th Feb 2021. Then you have to write I wish to offer my candidature for the post. The post will be mentioned in question. Then you have to write for the post, this is with reference to your advertisement in for the post, means this is with reference from where you get the information or details of a job. So question in 12th class mock test CBSE for application for job and job letter was, you came across a situation vacant advertisement like this. As you didn't know how to write advertisement, watch my video, link in description for writing advertisement, this kind of advertisement. So this is the situation vacant advertisement. Here the HABC Bank, Lajpat Nagar, address for contact, and then sales executive for the post of sales. You have to apply for the post of sales executive, and your all details like diploma in management, your qualification, experience, and all details about your profile, job profile in which you have to apply. So this is the kind of situation vacant job you see. Then you have to write or apply for the job letter. Then you will write a job letter and application for a job. So this was the question, and you can see the question of 12th CBSE mock test in question paper or in the description. So the answer for job letter, application for a job, is like, first of all, your address you are applying, then date like February 3rd 2021, then whom you are saying for the job, like HR manager, HABC Bank in the 12th CBSE mock test question, HR manager, HABC Bank, Lajpat Nagar, Delhi. Then subject should be application for the post of any kind of post. So here the post is sales executive. Then we will write application for the post of sales executive. Then sir, madam. Then we will begin with the all content and body, like this is with reference to your advertisement. Then we will see all we need to mention our qualification, how we are eligible for the post, how you can apply for the sales executive, your qualification details, and then you have to enclose your resume and biodata. As you have seen the starting, how we can start a formal or job letter, formal job letter. So how you end, then you write your details, I would like to apply my candidature with reference. Then you have to write and how you will end a job letter. So I would request you to consider my application. You have to force that I want to apply, that I would like to request my consideration for the post. Looking forward to a positive reply. You are looking forward a positive reply. Then thanking you, yours truly, and mention this. It is the short form enclosed, and then resume, biodata, CV. And how we can write biodata and CV? Main thing in the job letter is you have to 3 marks or 2 marks for the job for the application job letter, then for the resume or biodata. So the main thing in the job letter is resume, biodata, how you will prepare a biodata resume according to the post. Then let's see how we can do the job letter and how we can prepare resume in a job letter. Thank you. In job letter, essential part of the job letter is resume, biodata or CV. So you have to start your resume. First of all, you will give the title resume, biodata, or if it is CV, then CV. Then personal details about yourself, like name, date of birth, gender, marital status, email, phone number, and all about yourself, age, etc. Then you have to mention educational qualification as per the question requirement, as per the job requirement, like 10th 12th minimum. Then your diploma, like in sales executive, diploma management, in management. Then professional diploma, you see this personal, then educational. In the box you can make, and the whole thing will be in the covered and in the box, but personal details and professional details, all things should be mentioned. Professional details, you will work experience, like where you have worked in resume, you have to mention your professional details, like work experience, where you have done work in the letter. So work experience and reference. So in this you have to write reference. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you understood how to write letter for a editor for job application. These were the examples according to latest syllabus, and for 5 marks and for the 12th class you have to write like this. I hope you understood. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. This video is recorded by Yash Singh. I will provide the link of his channel. Thank you so much.